Improv Tuesday.
Yo, hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some grown man in it. Tone X here.
I ain't grown yet, but the
you
$1
taking
DJ right
taking
here.
too long. 2, 1. Hey, they're gonna be on display next Sunday night. Comedy Zone, Impromptu. Name the team.
We got Becky.
Right.
We got ADF the Kid.
Right.
We got Jody Blue.
Right.
We got I Am $1 Million DJ. That's me.
He don't
We got No Name Jones. We got XO Midway. We got JFY Keita One. We got everybody. All comedians. Get down with us.
We got Riddlin, because that's what he needs. You know what I mean? Get the socks though. This is it. It's the only reason I did the
Sock
video.
game crazy.
Make sure you come out. It's the Customer Appreciation Show at the Comedy Zone. Ashima Franklin's gonna be off the hook.
Yep.
Impromptu.
Yep.
The improv is gonna be crazy. So
Yep.
you got Becky.
Oh
with the
yeah.
Good hair?
Oh yeah, Becky with the good hair. Well, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
Word?
Yeah.
I want to know why when I said Becky with the good hair, my first move was right to the belt.
I don't know. Purrs.
Yeah, bro.